Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have this. This is made by PAWHAUS, P-A-W-H-A-U-S, and it is a pet grooming kit and Vacuum Pro M4. So this is the M4, way better than M3. Hello, my friends. And so it's a 6-in-1 multifunction tool. It's got all these different things here. I'll zoom it on in so you guys can see it. It's got a hair dryer nozzle, electric clipper, long nozzle, cleaning brush. I guess it's a de-shedding brush and a grooming brush. I picked off the shipping label. So let's see if we can open this up. Okay, found something to poke it with. So we're opening up the box. Oops. Okay, let's check out what's inside here. Hand you guys down a little bit. So, got some foam. So we have, it looks like a filter of some sort, and the manual. We have a brush. I'll open up all the pieces and parts. No, this is going to be a brush for it. This is something else. I guess this is going to be another brush with a sucker in there with a vacuum, so you can brush it and pull off all the stuff. What is this? I guess this is where all the tools will go. Some sort of a belt thing for it, maybe. I'm guessing this is the vacuum unit, obviously. So we have a decent sized tube and a decently long cord. And then inside here, let's see. Okay, that's it. Box is empty. So inside of this, we have some more stuff. So let's see what we got here. We have this tool here, which is some sort of a brush. So I'm going to put all the plastic in here as I go, in case my little ladies decide to pay me a visit. Okay. We have another brush. This one here, probably, I guess, is this going to be the clipper? I don't know. You can see it's got that metal comb there. Maybe that's not. It's gonna be like a traditional one. Just look at this. Here we have all the different combs, kind of like my regular shaver. It's like got the different sizes here, the different hair lengths of my doggy. This one's pretty heavy, so I'm gonna guess this is probably the clippers. Yep. So this is the clippers. So what you'll do is you'll clip one of these onto it. So this would be a pretty long cut. And then as it's going, it's got the little power, so it'll plug into there and good to go. Let's see what this one here is. This one here is like a little crevice tool almost, so I'm guessing, I don't know if it's just to clean it up afterwards or what. And let's see, how do we open this up? Push, push, push. And the bottom opens up, and I'm guessing this is where all the pet hair is going to end up. This is going to go on here. Let's see. There, it's clipped on. And so now we have a full-fledged vacuum. And I see there's two little wires there that connect to the clippers. So let's see if we can plug this thing in, how it works. Actually, I don't even have to untwist the cord. I'm just going to plug it in nice and close. Okay. And then, I guess I will undo the cord so you guys can see the buttons. Sorry, gotta wait another minute here. Let's twist that. Okay. So here's all the buttons that is to make it go. So we have an on button, and then it looks like we have on and off, and then different suction powers. So there we go. Let's see how it sucks. It's got a little bit of a suck to it. A lot of sucking. Okay, so that's gonna be how it works, and let's just see how we connect up one of these things here. So if we're gonna put this one on, this isn't powered, so this just go on, and you can just brush the dog's hair, and it'll suck it up as it goes. Yeah, that's it. Pretty cool. And then if we do this one, let's try this one here, because this is the cutter one. Let's just see how this is gonna go. I can hear it vibrating and see it vibrating. Take this off. Yeah, you can kind of see it's doing that. That's pretty cool. So then it cuts it off and then it sucks it on in. Very nice. you can do it all different lengths. So this is gonna be a really cool little device. And then this, I guess, is where all the tools will be stored. So let me look at the manual and see if there's anything I'm missing here. So this is the manual right there, the front of it. And it says 6-in-1. All the safety warnings for it. Safety warnings, safety warnings, safety warnings. And here's all the different details and information about it. So if you need this, you can pause it and zoom in. It's the accessory guide. And kind of explains how to do it here. So there you go. There's another page. If you need it, you can pause it and zoom in. And another one here talking about the electric cutter. And that's where all the storage of all the tools goes, in there. Very neat. And basically it kind of gives you this suction and blow, so you can change it to blow mode if you need to blow things out and clean up afterwards, I guess. And then that's how you store it all. So very cool. So I like this. It's a very cool little device. It's the Pro M4 Pet Grooming Vacuum. And thumbs up from me. The link's in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.